And we will show you the start list. Now, for those eagle-eyed athletics fans, you will notice on the start list that we have 13 athletes in the final instead of the usual 12. Now, that is because Samantha Dale of Australia protested her second round foul from qualifying. Now, the protest was honored, and she was given that jump, which gave her a mark of 6 meters 35 and pushed Tyra Gittins, who jumped 6:28, into 13th. But they decided the fair thing was to take 13 contestants, 13 finalists ahead to the final. We're picking up in round 2 of the long jump. Now, this is a tense moment. S.A. Brume has registered a no mark on her first jump. She is not going to want to do that again here. And, oh, that is big, but that was very close to the board. I mean, she looks confident. I feel like she's quite confident there that that has been a valid jump. And if that is, that just might take the lead from Deborah Akwa of Ghana. Oh, 1 centimeter. Tim, I don't think you could be more perfect.
Well, I'll tell you what, it was perfect because she made a little adjustment. There were a couple of little stuttery steps before the board, but that is a massive effort.
That is, in fact, a new Commonwealth Games record at 6 meters 99. Will we see a 7-meter jump tonight? If she goes in to silver by 1 centimeter. Everyone in the stadium is clapping in unison. Can she get that extra centimeter? Oh, that is close. I'm not sure about whether or not that was behind the board, but it doesn't matter because she is the Commonwealth Games champion. As Tim said, she won it in 2014 as an 8-year-old. As an 18-year-old. Oh, 8-year-old, that would be impressive. She wasn't given the chance to defend it in 2018, but she has taken the crown again in 2022.
What a special moment and a very deserving champion she is. We didn't know it, but her jump in the second round was good enough for victory. Look at this. That's
she's taken off.
Unbridled joy.
She's done it. She has jumped 7 meters. She found that extra centimeter. That's why she took off running. Oh, what an amazing final jump. There is only 6 centimeters separating gold from bronze. Again, one of the great things that we've seen at these games is just how hard athletes have fought, both on the field and on the track, to win those medals. And that is what makes them so special, that passion and that fight.